DOLA Orthotics online education and training. Let us support you. Welcome to our Orthotic Shell Customisation online training course, designed to help practitioners and students build orthotic confidence with our support. In this course, we will explore a range of DIY in-clinic orthotic shell modifications that can be used in everyday clinical practice for orthotic prescription or orthotic adjustment. DOLA Orthotics is an Australian-based orthotic and medical technology company that has been providing orthotic services to health professionals worldwide for over 20 years. During this time, we've developed a range of prefabricated orthotic styles to help you fix the feet that walk into your clinic every day. The DOLA Orthotic Pro range of orthotic blanks comes in 4 different styles, available in a range of sizes and densities, designed to help you create the orthotics for patients with different foot types or pathomechanical function, different ages from children to adults, different activity levels from sports to occupational, and different orthotic aims ranging from comfort to complex. The DOLA Pro full length is designed for shoes with removable insoles and is a highly customizable orthotic with a 4mm inbuilt heel raise, allowing up to 6 degrees of intrinsic varus or valgus rearfoot post grinds. The DOLA Pro 3/4 length is designed for shoes without removable insoles or to allow easy transfer between shoes with different toe box shapes. The DOLA Pro Fit is a low-profile, full-length option for sporting footwear, narrow-waisted footwear, casual shoes, or street shoes. And the DOLA Pro Lite is designed for hard-to-fit footwear, including fashion shoes, high heels, boots, and sporting footwear. It's self-adhesive for high-pitch shoes. This series of DIY orthotic shell customizations will be demonstrated on the DOLA Pro full-length orthotic. This series of videos is designed to help you fit the DOLA Pro orthotics to the styles of shoes your patients want to wear, modify orthotic control and orthotic reaction force to match your prescription, to treat common foot pathologies, to maximize orthotic comfort and patient tolerance, and for orthotic troubleshooting and adjustment on review. Our orthotics are designed to stock, modify, and fit in clinic. We recommend keeping a size range in stock for test fitting. Then if you don't have a density you need, no problem. Just test fit another to choose the size and order the style, density and size required direct from us, with our in-stock guarantee. It will be sent from our Australian factory direct to your clinic. Don't want to DIY in clinic? No problem. Use our lab customization service and we will do the work for you. Simply send your prescription using a hard copy, our iPad app, or DOLA phone app for Apple or Android, and we will manufacture and send direct to your clinic. On completion of this online course, you'll receive a CPD certificate for self-directed learning. For daily education and training, follow us on social media, including Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on LinkedIn, or visit dolaorthotics.com.